Thanks for making this video. If you came here through TikTok, let me see you in the comment section with a comment, okay? A hi or hello will be okay for me. And let me update you about the giveaway, okay? Per your vote, this is what we have chosen. So April, which is next month, we are going to do our first giveaway, okay? I was very surprised for you not choosing every month and choosing just April. So our first giveaway will be coming off in April, and then the rest will be coming up depending on your comments, okay? So make sure you always talk or communicate with us in the community, okay? So if you post anything in the community, make sure you say something or just give it a like, so that at least I can see that you see what I post there. So first of all, before you can make money from your WhatsApp status views, you have to get a lot of people watching your status. So I posted a video right here and showed you how you can just get a lot of WhatsApp status viewers, okay? So just check in the comment section, there will be a link there. Tap on the link and then know how you can just get a lot of WhatsApp status viewers. And then when you get these WhatsApp status viewers, then you can start to make money from there. So let me show you this right here. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and then also give this video a like, and don't forget to share with your friends after you have watched and learn how you can just make money from your WhatsApp status, okay? So first of all, this is what you should do to make money from WhatsApp status, okay? First of all, market your own product or skills, okay? So let's say you have something that you can sell online or something that you can just show it on WhatsApp status. Just put those things right there. So if you are selling shirts or shoes or anything that you can sell, okay, anything, just market whatever that you can do on your WhatsApp status. So when you do that, people can just look at that, purchase things from there, and as they do that, you make money from your WhatsApp status, okay? That's the first one. And the second way you can make money from your WhatsApp status is just becoming a WhatsApp business marketer, okay? So you post on your WhatsApp status that if you want to promote your business or if you want to advertise, just contact me, I'll help you out. I'll put it on my status. Then when I put it there, people watch, and then as people view the status, and then they can contact the person, and then if they want to purchase anything, then they contact the person. But you will be in between, just posting it on your status, and then the person will just pay you for this, okay? So that's how you can just make money from it. And the third way to help you is to drive traffic from WhatsApp status to your blog. So let's say you post videos online or you do anything online where you have your own website or something like that. Drive traffic, post the link there. When they tap on it, then they will just go to your blog, they watch or they learn something, and as they do that, you know that this website can help you make money from there, okay? So just do that as well, and then you can make money from your WhatsApp status. And the fourth one is that you promote affiliate links. And if you guys remember, I posted a video right here on how you can make money online, and it was affiliate marketing. So when you sign up and then you create your account, you get your referral link, and then when you share your referral link, you can make money from there. So as you post it on your WhatsApp status, people click and then people register. You can just make money just referring people to those websites or those accounts, okay? So it can also help you make money from your WhatsApp status, okay? So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, like. And the fifth way that can help you make money from WhatsApp status is that you should also pay people to put your product or your skills on their WhatsApp status, okay? So as you do that, people will then contact you on WhatsApp, and as they contact you, you add each other's contact. So the more contacts that you get, you are likely to increase your income per every month. So this is how you can just make money from your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.